Hot pastrami. We're going to review our ingredients. Remember, this sandwich has 3 ingredients only. We have our deli mustard with horseradish, we have our 4-ounce pastrami portions, and our deli rye bread. This is a whole sandwich, so we're using 2 4-ounce portions. We start with the most important step, which is fluffing this meat. When we make our portion, they tend to get compacted. When we build our sandwich, we want it to be nice and tall and fluffy. So it's very, very important that you can see how we're separating this meat. And now you can also see how that one little compacted pile of meat now made a really nice fluffy pile of meat. So that's 4 ounces. We're going to put our other 4-ounce portion on top of it. And we're going to fluff this one. This meat has a lot of fat in it and it tends to stick together. So you do want to make sure that you fluff this meat good. Now that we have it fluffed and we have it spread out on the paper so that it steams evenly, which is another very important step, we're going to simply place this in the steamer. We're going to lift it and place it right in the steamer. Okay, we have our steamed meat. You can see it curled up a little bit. It's nice and hot. I just verified that by fluffing it again. I'm not assuming that it heated all the way through. I'm actually going to do one more fluff and make sure that I don't have any cold spots in the middle. Okay, we have our bread. And so we're going to put our deli mustard, 6 ribbons on each side. So that's 3 ribbons and 3 ribbons. Now, we shape our meat and we simply drop it in one drop. We'll come back, pick up any other pieces, and we want to make sure that we go from end to end with the meat. We don't want to cheat anybody and have all the meat in the middle and have no meat on the ends. Now we simply cap it, and we'll wipe our board. And we'll cut it in half. Notice how I sawed through the meat. Serrated knife, you saw. Got a nice clean cut. We cut through our pastrami really good. And that's our beautiful pastrami sandwich.